Kachiel kuom yore mag tiego weche somo e kaunti ma Bungoma, joma kiro ratiro mag nyithinde kaunti no nyiso MCAs ber mar medo budget mar somb nasari. Kagiwo bang' romono, jotendgi kotelne kod John Mukenya wacho ni gidwaro loko pach jotend sirikal mondo mi omi somo mar nasari pek mowinjore. Jatend somo e kaunti no David Wamalili osingo ni migawono biro medo omenda e budget margi mar ne skunde nasari koya atamalo 20 nyaka 30. MCAs kotelnegi kod jakom maduol mochung' ne weche somo e od bura ma kaunti no Benjamin Ostula ojiwo bero ngima nyithindo ma Bungoma.
Ours as a county assembly, our input is that the county government of Bungoma must realign its priorities and prioritize matters of education, especially in the ECD sector. The budgetary allocation coming from the county government must mirror the true position and expectations as per the findings that have been presented to us today. Because this is a department that is lacking behind, we have inadequate resources in our schools, inadequate classrooms, poor infrastructure, lack of ECD teachers, and therefore, as a county assembly, we are urging the county government to prioritize, set aside enough budgetary allocation.
The major amount in the current budget being worked on 2024-2025, we are going to ensure that a higher amount, a higher percentage will go towards pre-primary education. And in any case, we are already working on towards recruitment of teachers in ECD.
We have agreed that we need to put in place the necessary policies to ensure that the programs in the ECD are implemented. And lastly, we have also agreed that sensitization of parents and other stakeholders to support ECD education in our county is high. So we really need to come together.